Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Plasticity, FreeCAD, and Fusion 360, and I will help you to decide which 3D modeling software is better in 2025. So let's look at each options. Number 1, Plasticity. It is a modern NURBS-based modeling tool designed for concept artists and industrial designers. It focuses on speed, ease, and clean exports for further refinement. While FreeCAD is a free open-source parametric 3D modeler, it is ideal for mechanical engineering, product design, and hobbyists. And lastly, Fusion 360 by Autodesk is a cloud-based CAD or CAM platform that combines industrial and mechanical designs with simulation and manufacturing tools. Now let's compare three of them. Number one, interface and ease of use. Plasticity has streamlined UI and feels like Blender meets CAD, perfect for creatives. While FreeCAD is modular but clunky, the learning curve is steep. Lastly, Fusion 360 has a polished UI, beginner tutorials, and an all-in-one workspace. Number 2, features and workflows. Plasticity is fast and ideal for shaping models quickly, and FreeCAD allows deep parametric editing, macros, and scripting. Lastly, Fusion 360 includes CAD, CAM, FEA, and generative design in one ecosystem. Number 3, their pricing. FreeCAD is completely free, while Plasticity has a one-time purchase, and Fusion 360 is free for hobbyists, but commercial users needs a subscription. Number 4, use case. Plasticity is for fast concept modeling, and FreeCAD is for mechanical engineers and educators, while Fusion 360 suits startups, makers, and professionals who need manufacturing tools. So in short, you can use Plasticity for rapid prototyping with smooth NURBS workflows, and you can choose FreeCAD if you need a full parametric control without any cost. And you can go with Fusion 360 for an all-in-one professional design suite. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.